Hi lovelies, it's Kylie, and today we're getting serious. Sunscreen. Now, I'm not trying to be your mom here, but it's so important to wear sunscreen every day, no exceptions. Whether you work inside all day like me, or get to go outside, in the sun, the beach, for a month. Sorry, yes, sunscreen. It's important. Even a little bit of sun exposure can do a lot of damage to your skin. We're talking burns, we're talking premature aging, we're talking a heightened risk of skin cancer. No thank you. All it takes to protect your face is a layer of mineral sunscreen. Mineral sunscreens, I hear you asking? What the heck is that? Well, mineral sunscreens protect your skin by forming a barrier on top of it. It doesn't sink into your skin like conventional chemical sunscreens do. Chemical sunscreens break down over time, so you have to keep reapplying, and can also cause lots of damage to the environment. Mineral sunscreens don't do that. Beauty by Earth has different facial mineral sunscreens in a few different formats. Some are tinted, and there's also a non-tinted version. In the daily face sunscreen, we have beige, toffee, and cocoa. So choose the one that works best for you. Start by putting on moisturizer, then follow up with your sunscreen. For the sunscreen sticks, there are also 3 different tints: cream, latte, and chestnut. And of course there is the version without tint. The sunscreens in the tubes are all SPF 20. The sticks are all SPF 30. So pick whichever your heart desires. Not only do these products protect your face, but they're also cruelty-free and reef safe. So you can use them every day without worrying about what kind of impact they have. Good deal? Good deal. So don't forget, sunscreen every day. Stay safe and enjoy!